Hey, what's up, you guys? Evan and here, and today we are doing airsoft. I just went live and was shooting some airsoft. As you can see, I shot all cups in one bullet, and we're going to do the shotgun and a pistol over there. So let's get started. Okay, so it's kind of windy out here, so I gotta calculate the wind. And there's some holes in the cups from where I did it with the shotgun. And see, you can see the cup just fell down because of the wind. So let's put that back up and let's get started. Alright. You guys aren't going to be able to see me, so it's locked and loaded. Let's do this. Alright. Bang. All in one shot, and I didn't miss once. So let's try all of the cups stacked together, see how much damage it'll do. There's already holes in them, so I mean, watch this. Alright, so that didn't do that much. As you can see, these alright, here's a hole right here in one of them. Alright, so these glasses down. So that's one cup. Two, these are just Gatorade cups that you'd use in like football, soccer games. Here's a nice hole in this one. Looks like I got shot. It did get shot, but you know what I mean. Some holes in that one. Oh, there's a nice 2 holes. Looks like from one bullet. Some holes in this one. Now let's do the pistol. Okay, so we're gonna load out this pistol. It's this is a Desert Eagle. Put that right there. Let's load this bad boy up. So just take a second, guys. Don't try this at home unless you're good like me. I love airsoft. I thought you guys would want to see a video like this, but this isn't the best view, but it'll work. The wind is still blowing really hard. It's not like really hard, but it's hard enough to blow. It's like the cups are moving, as you can see. One of them is gonna fall. There's a lot of them are gonna fall off if I don't hurry. All right, just need about 2 more. 1, 2. Yep, just 2. All right, let's do this. And I'm not close. You guys are probably wondering where I'm shooting. I'm shooting inside my garage, so it's kind of far. I'm told you the wind was blowing, the cups fell over. So this is going to make it really challenging because of the wind. Ugh. This is going to be harder than the shotgun. Here we go. Let's do this quickly. Boom. All right. No! Stop rolling away. Oh my gosh. All right. Now let's check how hard these guys shot. Alright. Oh shoot. Okay. So here's cup. Here's this cup. Not the best view. Yeah. This is done for. Ooh, inside this one. You got some nice shots. That one. Ooh, this one's banged up pretty good. Okay. Here's this one. Here's that one. Okay, let's get these packed up. All 5 cubs. I think it's 5, yeah. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a big like down here, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe above. And I got a deal. If we get to 15 subscribers in the next 2 weeks, I will dress up in a whole bunch of costumes. I'll change every few minutes, and I'll go by my driveway, and I'll dance when people will drive by. So make sure you guys subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Peace out, guys.